everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have interesting openings and details to discuss in this video. So please do watch this video to the very end and know about it and apply it at the earliest. Okay, so let me start with the Amazon one first. So Amazon is hiring for the SD1 position. So currently this opening is at location Karnataka. So these days Amazon is hiring a lot of freshers. So let's have a look into the details. Here they have clearly mentioned the basic qualifications and preferred qualification. So nowhere in here they have mentioned this is only for this kind of patches or only for this kind of graduates, but they just want you to have some basic fundamentals, a strong knowledge in basic fundamentals of computer science. So if you have that, then you can definitely apply to this. Okay. So basic qualification comes like programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++, or C hash, including object-oriented designing, and the proven track record of building large-scale, highly available, low-latency, high-quality distributed systems and software products, possess an extremely sound understandings of basics area of computer science such as algorithms, data structures, object-oriented design, databases, etc. Good understanding of AWS, excellent coding skill, great problem solving skill, excellent verbal and written communication skill. Okay, so these are the preferred qualifications that you must have within yourself. Okay, so once you are okay with it, then you can apply to this particular opening. I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. So next comes the preferred qualification. So preferred qualification is like if you have that, well and good. So it's very good to include the key points or the keywords from the preferred qualification section in your resume once you apply to that, because that's how your resume is getting selected. Okay. And it's not like randomly adding something to your resume. It should make some sense. If they ask you something regarding that, at least you should be able to put the basic concepts of that. Okay. That's what their expectation is. So now moving on to the preferred qualification. Before that, I have something to introduce to you. This is an initiative from Geeks for Geeks. You know, like Geeks for Geeks is always out with amazing things for your career when it comes to the corporate jobs and all. So this is one among them. So full stack development with React and Node.js is what they are proposing now. It's a live course. So now you can learn full stack development through a live course designed by the industry experts to help you learn how the develop industry ready single page web applications and APIs using React and Node.js and other concepts like AWS, CI or CD, etc. So it's very much suited for the students as well as the starting working professionals, okay, who have started their career, who would like to move into the full stack development. And you should know you are getting the complete live course as well as certificate for it. Okay, so it's a certification course and you will be also creating an industry ready single page web application. So you have a project, okay, a real-time full stack project handy, and you will also learn how to deploy and maintain application with the complete DevOps workflow. Okay, so this is the complete details regarding this, and you need to register and say what is it. Okay, so in case if you are not getting an idea of what I explained, then you can contact them, so they will give you more details on the same, and you can see what you will learn. This is it: build or test and launch a space by mastering React, Node and related technologies, multiple deployment methods such as AWS, Netlify, GitHub's pages, etc. One major project based on real-world applications to put your theoretical knowledge to use. So you have a project in hand, very real-time full stack development project in hand, which is prepared by the certification course provided by the industry experts. So these are the key points that you should keep in mind. So if you're a person who would like to move into full stack development, then these kind of courses will help you a lot to develop your skill as well as to get the certification to prove that you have did something, okay, and to showcase the things. And also you have a project in hand. Okay, so this project will help you to stand with the people who has internship experience. If you're a fresher, then this will help you to stand with the people who have internship experience or who is having few months of experience up to 1 years of experience. Okay, because the skill is what the industry need. Okay, the skill is what industry need. Now we can see the other benefits and all: access to Geeks for Geeks job portal, course completion certificate, then resume building. You can see the course content like week 1, these are the sessions, week 2, week 3, week 4, and all the details are transparently shown in this website. So just take the link from the description for this website and just travel through all the things and you will get to know. And if you're interested, then register without fail. Okay, now you can see it's a complete week till week 10 it is there. So all the topics session by session detail they are following up, and after that the other step is you will be building your own web application. Okay, so you can log in to see the syllabus details and all. So you can make in your login. There's no harm in making your login, and you can see the details of all the things that is mentioned over here. Okay, so upcoming batches from May 21st from 19 p.m. IST. So Saturday and Sunday is the timing. So you can log in and see what is going to happen. Okay, so I would recommend you to take the link from the description and just see what all things. Okay, so whether this opportunity is good or bad, that only can be evaluated by you by knowing the all the possible details. Okay, so take the link and just traverse through the whole things and what you get, what you don't get, and understand the full stack development scopes around the company that you're dreaming of and apply it. Okay, so this is the details regarding it. I will definitely leave the link in the description. You should take and have a look at it. Just have a look at it and decide it further. Okay, so if you are into full stack development, then this will help you to get certification. This will help you to give the industry knowledge directly by the industry experts, and this will help you to get a project as well. Okay, so these are the major highlights of this course. Okay, so I hope you got to understand all the details regarding the same. Now I'm moving on to the details that is left with the Amazon opening. So the preferred qualification for Amazon opening is the knowledge of machine learning algorithms and serverless architecture, ability to think about a problem statements, recommend alternative technical approaches and build optimum solutions, bar raising technical skills in building next generation customer services experiences, sound understanding of putting in place and leading engineering. Okay, excellent verbal and communication skill. So in general, what is required for this Amazon, as a sum up, I can say they want you to have the full end knowledge. Okay, that is regarding the cloud or regarding the programming, everything. Okay, full end one. Strong knowledge in any one of the programming languages, well and good, and computer science concepts is a must. So basically, computer science students, computer science related branches can definitely apply. There is no harm in applying into this. Then obviously, this as a professional, it's topics, everything is more into professional. So BTech, MCA, ME people can definitely apply to this, and no batch specification. It means that the recent trending batches such as 2019, 20, 21 and 22, if you are about to pass, then you can apply. Okay, there is no harm in applying, just apply and see. Okay, and watch your mail for the response as well. Okay, and don't forget to add the keywords from the qualification criteria, because that's how your resume is getting selected. If you don't have any keywords with respect to the job opening, then your resume will not be getting selected. I have did a detailed video on that. You can check in the video section. Okay, now this is the complete education details, and to know more about what you'll be doing, you should go through key responsibilities if you decide to apply this, because in interview and throughout the selection process, they want you to make sure that you are fit for this role. So this is how you can prove it to that. Okay, now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button, and if you have already a profile under the Amazon jobs, then you can log in with that and make the necessary alterations to your profile. Else you can start a fresh new profile. So starting a fresh new profile will include giving the personal details, address, education details, then your resume part and all these kind of things. Okay, so that's how you apply to this. Okay, now CTC range, obviously it's greater because the base CTC for SD1 is 23 plus LPAs. Okay, so that's the average and all. So freshers, please concentrate upon the exposure that you're getting. That's what the first preference, and second should come to the CTC. Okay, now next opening is from Dell. So Dell is hiring full stack software engineer. So in case if you want to know about full stack, you can refer the GFG Geeks for Geeks course. This will help you. And there is a deadline for this. Okay, so the last day to apply is on 8th of May. Now we will see the details of this. Okay, so essential requirements you can see here. that is entry-level position, require basic knowledge of programming languages, operating systems, and database, debugging skills for simple programs using either written or verbal design specifications, good understanding of hardware and software interactions, first-hand experience with server storage, network and client, insight into software architectures and application. Now the desired requirements will be first-hand experience gathered during internship, student job, or related profession. So if you have that first-hand experience, then well and good. If you don't have also, these are the essential requirements that they put here. Okay, essential requirements. This you must have. Okay, so this also no specification regarding batch or branches and graduations and all, but obviously this is applicable for computer science and related branches, and other branches, if we have the knowledge in all that by taking some alternative courses, certifications and all, then also you can apply, no harm in applying. Okay, now you can see here you will achieve what all things that you will be achieving there. All these things you can get to know from this section. So last day to apply is on 8th, only almost a week left to it, so apply it at the earliest. Okay, now to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. So this is it. If you have already a profile, you can use that same by making necessary operations, but good to go with a fresh new profile if you don't have. Okay, now you can give all these details, log in, put your resume, personal information like address, education details, all these kind of things, and apply and watch your mail and be ready for the upcoming selection process. Okay, so hope you got all the details regarding the openings available today and an interesting opportunity for you to learn full stack development from Geeks for Gifts. So I hope pretty much you have so many stuffs to know in this video. So if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've discussed in this video, let me know that in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content also welcome to the comment section. So until I be back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.